In this video, we're going to walk through changing the host name on Ubuntu. Quick process, but it's something that we probably don't do every day. So you're going to type sudo space nano /etsy/hosts and type enter. You're going to move your cursor down, type your current IP address of the host that you're going to try to resolve to. In this case, I'm going to type 192.168.1.111 and the host name that I want this virtual machine. From there, I'm going to type Control X, hit Y, and hit enter to save the configuration. Then I'm going to type cat/Etsy/hosts, and that should give me the new host name of this virtual machine. That wraps up our video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to reboot your virtual machine. Follow us on social media and check out some of our other amazing videos. I appreciate it. Nice, simple, to the point. Have a great day.